Now your device is set up. It's at your bedside. It's the bed shaker is underneath your mattress, and you've got it set to wake you up in the morning. Now I'm going to do a simulated fire alarm. I'm going to go in the next room and I'm going to set off a smoke alarm, and you can see how this device, the HL150, combines the UL NFPA code low frequency alarm that's been proven most effective audible alarm, strong bed shaker for those people for whom that's effective, including deaf, and then also bilingual voice, which has proven helpful not only in waking people up, but then in notifying them of what exactly the emergency is. So I'm going to go set off a demonstration now with the smoke alarm. All right, now I'm going to begin the test.
Fire! Get Fuego! Salga!
So that was a demonstration of the HL150 fire alarm and clock. It's both a very powerful, super effective alarm clock, but also the scientifically proven most effective way of waking up those people most at risk of dying in nighttime fires: senior citizens, people with hearing loss, people under the influence of alcohol, and young preteen children. Again, this is Dr. David Albert for Lifetone Technology. Thank you very much.